Can you read that? Carlos. Maybe? Yeah. Victor 9, we're code 4. Just gonna detain driver. All right, man.
Hey, what's up?
So, gonna ask you to just not reach for anything and step on out of the vehicle, okay?
What I'm coming out the vehicle for?
We'll talk about that, okay? So just step on out.
You got your ID or anything? You got his ID too already?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna just chill right here if that's cool.
Nope. And we're gonna detain you, okay?
Detain me?
Yep.
For what?
You're under investigation for a DUI.
Under
All right. So stand up,
investigation for a
turn
DUI.
around, hands behind your back.
Step out of the car, man.
Hands behind my back.
Yes, you're gonna be detained in handcuffs.
Oh, no, I'm not.
You're about to stand up.
All right.
Victor 9-1 fighting.
Stop fighting me, bro. Quit fucking fighting. He's assaulting me. I'm not assaulting you, bro. Fuck out of the car. I got ready. Stop fighting me, bro. Get the fuck out. You're under arrest. I'm not hitting you, my dog. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. All right. Let me get up. Let me get up.
You ain't getting up. Hand behind your back now.
My dog, let me get up. You're under arrest. All right, bro. What is this? Bro, crazy, bro. Bro, I don't know, put your fucking hands on your back. All right, bro.
You done? Flip over now. You're under arrest.
All right, my nigga, all right.
Put your hand behind your back.
My nigga. Get on your stomach now. What the fuck did I do?
Now.
What the fuck did I do? All right. What the fuck did I do, bro? Stop fighting. I ain't fighting, okay, all right.
Get on your back now.
All right, I'm trying, my nigga. My brother. Oh, my brother. Oh, my brother. Oh my God.
We are arm behind your back now.
Oh shit, what did I do?
Right hand behind your back now.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I said right hand
Okay.
behind your fucking back now.
Okay.
We got 2 detained.
Stay here. Stay here.
Yep.
Stay here.
And the supervisor.
That's what you were saying.
You're under arrest. You dumb fuck.
Hey, one time fight you. Go.